We've been skeptical of Tesla's long-awaited Cybertruck. Would it be a proper pickup or just an ostentatious Model S with a bed? We know what electric propulsion can do for pickups. Witness the Rivian R1T and Ford F-150 Lightning winning our Truck of the Year honors. But given Tesla's rip-up-the-rulebook approach to cars and SUVs, we had reason for doubts. Now that we've had a brief drive in the Cybertruck, we are doubters no more. Though designed with the same "you can't tell us what to do" ethic of the S, X3, and Y, it's clear Tesla's engineers understand the unique needs and wants of pickup buyers. What results is both fascinating and fantastical, a captivating mix of the future and the here and now. A Model S with a bed? Yes and no, and a lot more no than yes. We all know what the Cybertruck looks like, and yeah, we'll talk about that stainless steel cladding in a bit, so let's delve straight into the drive. The biggest differentiator between Tesla's pickup and every other vehicle on the road is the Cybertruck's four-wheel steer-by-wire system, actuated by a tiny flattened rectangular steering wheel that rotates less than a full turn from lock to lock. At parking lot speeds, a small turn of the steering wheel results in a sharp turn to boost maneuverability. The software-controlled ratio changes at higher speeds so that the same input results in a less aggressive change of direction, providing a stronger sense of stability and straight ahead. That's the theory, at least. We had our doubts about Tesla's ability to pull this off. Its autopilot and full self-driving systems occasionally swerve when they just need continue straight, but the Cybertruck's steering works well. At a walking pace, the ability to turn both front and rear wheels sharpens the turning circle, though not as dramatically as the GMC Hummer EV's similar feature. The turning circle is more like a full-size truck's with a tight turning circle. On the move, the Cybertruck tracks straight and true, though it feels like the wheel is being held at dead center by the invisible hand of the feedback motor that imitates a traditional steering system's resistance. It takes a willful effort to turn the wheel from straight ahead, and when we did have to make slight corrections to our path, the reaction felt almost hyper-responsive, even if we'd stopped short of painting the Cybertruck with the damning label of Darty. It's a steering system for the racing sim generation. In turns, the progression feels so natural, we questioned whether the steering ratio was changing at all. Considering that there isn't a single vehicle with similar steer-by-wire technology on sale in the US, we're amazed at how we got used to the system almost instantly. Frankly, the squared-off not quite a yoke was more distracting. We had to fight the temptation to drape a forearm over it like an armrest. If you can stop yourself from thinking about how different the Cybertruck's steering is, you won't have any trouble getting used to it either. The ride is firm, but not uncomfortable, with the repetitive jiggle you expect from a conventional body-on-frame truck, but not the raw annoyance of driving a heavy-duty dually over pockmarked pavement. Tesla puts the Cybertruck's air springs to good use, as they magically mask the pickup's 6,600 or so pound weight, at least until they don't. Acceleration is Model S-like when scooting around town. Once you reach highway speeds, the Cybertruck's mass makes itself felt, and the acceleration falls off abruptly, unlike the 3-motor Hummer EV and 4-motor R1T. And this is the 600 HP dual-motor version. We're predicting that the 315 single-motor Cybertruck might be best avoided, while the 845 HP Cyber Beast version will presumably make fireworks. It's a similar story with handling. The bedded Tesla tracks nicely in the turns, with minimal body roll and good grip until, sooner than you expect, the tires start squealing. We didn't push too hard. This 135 bal dual motor Foundation Series truck came not from Tesla, which so far has only supplied Cybertrucks to a few carefully selected outlets, but from a private owner who happens to be a friend of Motor Trend. The truck, which the owner picked up just last week, had barely 300 miles on the clock. We're eager to put a Cybertruck through our battery of instrumented tests, so we can see what this baby can really do.